Hi everyone, hope you are doing well and welcome back to the 8th video of English Idioms. You can watch previous videos from my channel GY English Hub. So sometimes we accidentally say things we shouldn't and then all of a sudden the secret is out. Ever had that happen? Today we are talking about an idiom that captures just that feeling. Let's go! So let the cat out of the bag or let the cat out of the box. Should you let the real cat? No guys. You just reveal a secret. Let me show you how this idiom can come up in everyday situations. Here are a few examples. Don't accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Here, Tom revealed the surprise party by mistake, ruining the secret. Then she let the cat out of the bag when she mentioned the new product before it was announced. Here she leaked information about a new product before the official announcement, disclosing what should have been kept secret. Next one. If you tell Senali about the promotion, she'll definitely let the cat out of the bag. Here, Senali can't keep secrets. So if you tell her about the promotion, she is likely to spread the news. Moving to the fourth example, he tried to keep the project a secret, but someone let the cat out of the box. Here, even though he wanted to keep the project confidential, someone else revealed it to others. Last one, when he let the cat out of the bag, everyone was shocked to learn the truth. In this example, the person disclosed a secret that surprised everyone because no one expected it to be true. So guys, have you ever let the cat out of the bag? Or maybe someone else did it to you? Share your stories in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Wait for the next video and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and fun English learning. See you next time.